right, so let's open up our telescope. So a little bit of information here on the front. You can see you have a focuser, the AZ panhandle mount, the straightforward viewfinder, and then it also has, looks like a mount for your camera. Capture the moon, planets, and deep sky. Adjustable tripod up to 50 inches. And this is probably a better view here. The 7400 telescope, company name, powerful magnification, eyepieces, moon filter, like it. Capture images with any smart device. The smartphone adapter is included. Love that. Same here, and basically same on the side here and here. Let's open this on up and see what we have here. I've always wanted a telescope. Love science, so take a look at it. Looks like we have a stand and a telescope in a different box. Oh no, so it's not. It's just a few different things. There we go. All right. Well, that's it for down in this box. Okay, so we got a few things here. They do include a full manual, so that'll be very helpful, especially for somebody like me who doesn't fully know a lot about telescopes. So we have this here. Looks to just be the stand. So look at that. Even has a little carrying case for it. That's it for that box. So this should be... Yes, that's the stand. You can have a little level on there, so you know when you're level. I like it. And then the carrying case for the stand. Then this looks to be some like adapters, I'm guessing. Maybe magnification lenses or something. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Hold on. So this is apparently the moon filter. I only know that because it says it here. So I got a moon filter. It actually says on it moon right there. Then these are the eyepieces, which I'm not gonna do a whole lot here because I don't want to mess anything up, but that looks like it screws in some kind of way. Very cool. So there's different sizes of those. You got one, and then two, three. Then we've got solar filter. Okay, not entirely certain what that was, but we have one. This has all kinds of cookies. We got there's some other part there. Very cool. I wish I knew what to call this stuff. I just really don't. This is a 5x Barlow lens. At least this one had a name. Okay. Whoa, this looks like the main lens that's on there. All right, very, very cool. And then one of the important parts for me, it included cell phone mount. So it looks like you're able to mount this onto your lens, and then you're basically able to put your cell phone camera over the lens so that your cell phone can capture the video from the telescope. I just love that. That's it for that box. And then in here is the main telescope. So it's like having a really big camera lens in my opinion. That's it for this box. So this is the main telescope. As I mentioned, not a person who fully knows this kind of stuff. I'm learning this as I was sent this product. So really like everything I see. Everything feels like really, really good quality. You can see the company logo here, and it looks like this all should easily mount together pretty well. Whoa. All right.